Hello and welcome to Titan Gaming YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create your very own gaming logo on your mobile phone for free. Firstly, open up your internet browser. Doesn't matter what you're using, Android or Apple internet browser. Type in placeit.net. Now this is a graphic website, usually costs, but I found a little way around it and that's what I'm going to show you. Now when you get onto the website, click the top of the screen, the three bars, click on gaming and logos. Now this should bring up quite a hefty amount of pages of different logo designs. All you have to do is choose one that best suits you. I'm going to choose this one, then edit. Now once it loads up, click over onto graphics. Once you click graphics, click edit on the main graphic. Now when you click this, it will bring up a lot of different images for whatever you type in. Obviously this is the pandemic character, is what was on here already as the original. And I mean, look how many graphics there are for just this one. We're not going to use this one though, obviously. I'm just going to make an example logo. So what I'm going to do is, in the search bar, I'm going to type in bear. And then we scroll through all the images, try and find the best suited image for me. I'm going to go for a black bear, so I'm going to name the logo Black Bear Gaming. Yeah, that'll do. So just give that time to load. Now click on edit again and you can edit the colours. It doesn't give you a very high range of colours. Sometimes it gives you 3, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1. But edit the colours to whatever you want. And then once you've done that, go over to text, and then you can edit the text underneath the image. There is an option for you to put the text above the image, but I find that it looks a lot better below it, but it's entirely up to you. So once you've done that, you can change the colour of the text. You can change the font. There is off by heart I wouldn't know, but there is got to be at least over 1,000 fonts. So you've got a very, very, very wide choice. So if you're making a logo, even if you're just making a logo for a friend, every logo you make can be different completely. There's thousands of images, thousands of text. Once you've changed the colour, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background slightly. I'm going to add a couple of scratches. So in the search bar here, where it says spray, delete it, type scratch. There's not a lot of choice on scratch, but there's a lot of different choices. Obviously, in general, you've got like paint splatters, biohazard signs, stuff like that. You choose the scratch and sit it behind that. And that is, hold the image and save it to your device. Once you've done that, come out of it and download an app called Airbrush. And we're going to open up the image inside Airbrush, and with this app we're going to remove the watermark. It doesn't remove it completely, but it's almost invisible to the naked eye. What you do is you go over to the smooth tool, heavy, adjust the size of the tool, and then pretty much rub all over the image. And what it does is it blends in the background colour over what you're touching up. So wherever your cursor is, it'll blend. Say the background's like a reddy colour, the watermark is white, so it will blend the red colour over to the white. You can click on the smooth button again and redo it to make it look a bit, like make it look like there's no watermark at all. Just give it a nice little touch up. Once you've done that, save the image, and we can actually remove the background as well. So if you want a transparent logo with no background, download Eraser, open up the image inside this app, just ignore my photos I've already got there, yeah, and click on the erase tool, target area, and click on the colour of the background. If there's anything like any little bits here and there, you can just touch it up, but that pretty much gives you the transparent logo. You save that to your device, and that is pretty much it. When you open it up in your gallery, you have it, a transparent image.